Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve the miscellaneous question number 1. So, the aim for this video is for you to do the question first by yourself, and then after that, you see the rest of the video to see the solution. Okay, so feel free to pause this video for a while and then copy the question and do, and then afterwards continue watching this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have a sample space given. It's a positive integer from 1 until 10, and then we have 3 events, okay, A, B, and C. So the first one asking about A and B, are they mutually exclusive or not? So let's have A. Okay, so maybe I copy A and B over here. So So A is 3, 6, and 8. Okay, while B is 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so from here, we want to see whether they are mutually exclusive or not. So in order to do that, suppose A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersect B is equal 0. Okay, so we have to find the intercept between A and B, and then we have to make sure the value is 0. So there are two works over there. So the first work from here we have to find, so PA intersect B equal the left hand side, the left hand side. So how we find them? So A has 3, 6, and 8, B has 3, 5, and 7. So the intersection is this element of 3. So we have 1 over how many? The element 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 of the samples. The number of sample space is 10. So 1 over 10. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, so since P A intersect B is not equal 0, therefore A and B are not mutually exclusive. Okay, so that's for the first one. Okay, let's move on to the second one for B. So the first one asking mutually exclusive. Now the question asks for event A and C. Okay, so maybe I write the events over here first. So event A is 3, 6, and 8. Okay, while C is what? C is 1, 2, and 9. Okay, so we want to just now is mutually exclusive, also the same thing also, but between A and C. Okay, so suppose A and C are mutually exclusive, then PA intersect C must be equal 0. So let's refer to this one, and then we look whether it's correct or not. So first we find PA intersect C. Okay, PA intercept C. Okay, how to find the intercept? Okay, A has 3, 6, and 8. C has 1, 2, and 9. So we don't have any intercept. There's no common element between A and C. So it's 0 over, okay, out of the number of sample space just now, 1 until 10, integer 1 until 10 is counting number actually from 1 until 10. So it's 0 over 10, which is 0. Okay, since PA intersect C equals 0. Therefore, A and C are mutually exclusive. Okay, exclusive. Okay, now let's go for the third one, C. So the question asking whether A and B are independent event. So what I'm going to do now is copy paste the event A and B and put it on the right hand side of us over there. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then C is asking about, now we are asking about independent event. So suppose A and B are independent of each other, actually, and independent to each other, then PA intercept B equals PA multiply PB. Okay, so over here we have this as our left hand side and we have this one as our right hand side. Okay, so we have to find the left hand side first. Okay, left hand side first is what? PA intercept B equals, okay, now we find the intercept between A and B. Okay, now there is 1 over here. Okay, so it's 1 over 10. There's one element, one common element between A and B. Okay, and then we do the right hand side. Okay, we find the right hand side, which is the multiplication of PA multiply by multiplication of PB. Okay, multiplication of PA and PB separately. So PA is 368, it's 3 over 10, multiply by 357, also 3 over 10. Okay, and then it's 9 over 100, I guess, and then 9 over 100 cannot be simplified further, and therefore since PA intercept B from our calculation over here, it's not equal to PA multiply PB. Therefore, A and B are not independent to each other. Actually, to complete the sentence to each other, but I feel the urge to complete the sentence, but I think just writing like that is enough. Okay, so let's proceed to the fourth one. Okay, so the fourth one asking the independent between A and C. So one more time, we copy paste the A and C. Okay, and then okay, I think I need to rub this off first. This is from the previous question. Okay, now, so suppose A and C are independent. Okay, then PA intercept C equals PA multiply PC. Okay, so once again, this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So we find our left hand side first. So PA intercept C. Okay, A intercept C. Okay, since there's no intercept, 0 lah. Okay, 0 yalah, 0 lah. Okay, no common element. And then this one right hand side. Okay, and then PA multiply PC equals, okay, what PA is 3 over 10 multiply another 3 over 10. Okay, correct lah, same also. Okay, so for this one it's 9 over 100. Okay, so then again, okay, they are not the same. Okay, so since PA intercept C not equal to PA multiply PC, Okay. Therefore, A and C are not independent, okay, to each other. Okay, and let's have a look the last one. Okay, the last one is asking about the complement of event A. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so the complement, okay, complement of event A. Okay, I just copy paste the fraction of the sentence from the question. Complement event A means they're asking of P A prime or P A bar. Okay, they are just the same thing, just different way of writing. Okay, what does it mean by complement on event A? It means not A. Okay, other than A is happening. What is the probability of other than A is happening? Okay, now from previous questions we know the set of A is the event of A is 3, 6 and 8 happening. Okay, which is the probability is 3 over 10. Okay, so what is the complement? The complement is other than 3, 6 and 8, which is the rest of the number. Okay, or we just 1 minus P A. Okay, so we have 7 over 10. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.